Para, ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to welcome all the shareholders to the second annual general meeting of our company. The annual report and also the balance sheet have been circulated. From the report, we can understand that our company had a successful year of operation. We also had the privilege of our factory being opened by our Prime Minister. I am sure you can recollect that the inauguration function was attended by large number of people from all parts of the state, and it was a grand success. The operation of the plant was started without much trouble because of the sufficient profits in the first year. We are able to pay a portion of the arrears of dividend on preference shares. In this regard, I wish to inform to all the shareholders that the products of our company have been well received and are reaching fast in the market without leaving any stock at the factory. Para, we are expecting the same tempo and even far better than last year as far as the performance of the company is concerned. However, the power position has been causing considerable anxiety. Any major power cut causes very severe damage to the plant. Although the Andhra Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission is fully aware of the delicate nature of this plant, and in spite of its consideration, we have suffered power cut because of the scarcity of foreign exchange. We are not in a position to obtain raw materials as per our requirements. We also propose to manufacture sufficient quantity of equipment needed for expansion in our country itself, and thereby we would be able to minimize the requirements of foreign exchange